Are you guys tired of breaking the tops of your carrots off or snapping the carrot off halfway or something like that when you're trying to harvest? You know, if you want to have perfectly straight, beautiful carrots just like this, let me show you my way that I harvest carrots for a perfect pull every single time. So let's check it out over here in the garden. Now, coming over here to the garden, now this is my carrot and garlic intercropping experiment, I should say. And here's the garlic. It is kind of getting shaded and crowded out by these carrots that have just exploded. So first tip, don't harvest carrots in hard, dry ground. So we had a ton of rain the last couple of days. These carrots are lush. They're doing fantastic. And this soil is loose and crumbly, okay? So this has been worked up for many years, getting my raised bed soil amended with compost and other amendments like that to keep it nice and friable. So heavy clay soil, you're gonna break your carrots off, okay? So what I have here on the hillside, and I'm not joking, the hillside, I got about 3 inches of topsoil, and it's solid rock in some places, okay? This is on a mountain. So if you're gonna grow carrots, maybe you need to invest in a raised bed or a large container or something like that, because if you want big, beautiful carrots, just like all this right here, guys, you are going to need deep, well-draining, loose soil. So another thing that leads people to damaging their carrots in the harvesting process is they just kind of reach in here and they're just going to start just yanking, right? That's going to be a recipe for disaster. What you need to do, and I show you this real easily, you want to get your down here right to the base of this carrot, okay? And what you do first is you push down, right? Counterintuitive, right? But trust me, it works. You push down, that breaks all the little root hairs and creates a little air vacuum or something like that, and then pulls it down. Now, this is just a little guy here. I'm harvesting these kind of a little bit immature, and some just to kind of make some room for this peppers and stuff that need to go into this bed. And it's also getting hot out. So another good tip is make sure you harvest your carrots before it gets too hot and they start to bolt. All right, that's the worst thing that could happen, to be nasty, hard, pithy cores in the inside. It's not what you want at all when your carrots. So push down, pop it up. There's a nice, perfectly straight one right there like that, guys. Check that out. So that's just how you do it. So don't go in here like this and I'll sacrifice some carrots maybe. Well, I didn't really prove my point there because the soil is so loose and friable, but those came out right easily. So just take your time, and you know, if you're going to harvest all these carrots at once, that's fine, but look right here. This one's kind of small, that one's still pretty small, this one's still pretty small. So I'm thinning these carrots out by harvesting, and I'll let some of these go a little bit longer to get more size on them. Now if we look in here, this is a nice little good size right here. Pressing down, and this little pop, little satisfying little pop comes out. And look at that beautiful straight orange carrot. No forking, no excessively hairy, something like that, which is a result of having way too much nitrogen in your soil. Learned that the hard way. So do not fertilize your carrots with anything besides nice compost and just some beautiful sunshine. So that little tip hopefully will help some guys out harvesting your carrots, so you'll have a little less breakages. And again, it's nothing easier than just pulling some nice straight carrots with this little method. Push it down, pull it out. Thanks for watching, guys.